Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host for the evening, Anubha Bhosle.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks very much for joining us for the 5th edition of Real Heroes. CNN-IBN, in partnership with Reliance Foundation, are bringing you this evening that will shine because of the exemplary efforts of 24 men and women. May I now please request the Editor-in-Chief of the IBN 18 Network, Rajdeep Sardesai, to come on stage and take this evening forward. Rajdeep.
Thank you very much, Anubha. And ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very warm welcome to you at the 5th edition of the CNN-IBN Real Heroes in partnership with the Reliance Foundation. It's the season of centuries because the master himself is here. And we're very proud that in this season we've completed more than 100 real heroes, more than 100 rare diamonds who otherwise will not be found on page 1, but truly deserve to be on page 1. Each and every one of them represents the uniqueness of this great country of ours, the diversity of this great country of ours. And over these 5 years, these real heroes, as we've now found, touch every Indian state. Let's take a look at some of these Indians.
Driven by their infinite compassion, drawing strength from their endless reserves of courage, taking inspiration from their unshakable faith.
I very strongly felt that I must do something for the survival of our community.
हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, गणित पढ़ाना चाहते हैं। हमारे गांव की लड़कियां सबसे ऊंचाई पर पहुंचे।
Saluting these extraordinary souls who lead by example.
हमें आगे भी बढ़ना था और समाज को भी बढ़ाना था।
अपने के लिए नहीं जीना आया ना तो दूसरे के लिए जीना सीखो। ये मेरे परिस्थिति ने मेरे को सिखाया।
Who believe in going that extra mile and won't stop till they have achieved their goal.
वो यूथ है, उनको अगर मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगा तो दूसरा कोई आने वाला है नहीं यहाँ पे. So it's my duty.
I am now a soldier in the society, and there's a bigger battle to be fought in the society.
That of making every life they touch beautiful. It's time to honor these real heroes of India with an award that salutes the extraordinary service of ordinary people.
I now invite the chairperson of the Reliance Foundation, Neeta Ambani, to come on stage and say a few words.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, good evening and a warm welcome to all of you. Stars in the sky have shown many the ways. A bright star, our sun, gives us warmth and light. Stars form galaxies and define the universe. Welcome to a star-studded night. This galaxy is formed by stars who radiate love and compassion. They shine to bring light to the dark lives of people. These stars, our real heroes, make our world more beautiful. They are people who have given their today for a better tomorrow to those who need it the most. Today's evening is an opportunity to follow the footsteps of our real heroes and to rededicate ourselves to changing lives of the needy. So let us awaken by the inspiration of our real heroes. Let us arise to the cause of our real heroes. And let us join our real heroes in service to humanity, because it is the best work of our lives. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's start this award ceremony with welcoming our first guest of honor. No introduction can do justice to this man. We call him Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Can we have you on stage, please? Please put your hands together to welcome the man who's making his first public appearance after that 100th shot. Sachin Tendulkar.
You know, ladies and gentlemen, today is a day where we celebrate the real heroes. As I said, anonymous Indians doing extraordinary work. But today is a day also to, in a way, at least put our hands up for the one Indian in his first public appearance in scoring 100 international 100. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a standing ovation to Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Has it all sunk in, or is it still a dream? Are you still living some kind of a dream, or are you finally coming to terms with the fact that this one milestone has also been crossed?
I don't know. I've not really thought about it, but definitely feels lighter. As I said earlier, that for a year it was a tough phase. Right from the housekeeping to room service to wherever I went. I mean, hotel receptionist, while checking in, handing over the boarding cards, the fans, everyone, they just wanted one thing. I mean, 100. It really didn't matter how I batted or how many runs I scored, but 100 mattered. And that sort of, there came a stage where it started playing on my mind. It wasn't on my mind, but it started playing on my mind. But I'm glad that it's over and no more wishes for 100. I can get on with cricket.
Is there someone you want to dedicate this 100 to? Is it dedicated to your family, to your late father, to your brother?
Yes, this 100 I'd like to dedicate to my brother, Ajit. I've not dedicated any of my 100s to him, but this is something which is really, really important because right from the age of 11, Ajit has lived this dream, and every time along with me, and every time I walked out to bat, though physically he was not there, he was mentally with me. So this one is for Ajit for making all the sacrifices for me.
Ladies and gentlemen, with Sachin Tendulkar on stage, we are obviously beginning this award ceremony with the category of sports. I'll request Vijay Barse, our first real hero, to come up on stage, please.
Vijay Barse. A sports teacher at a local college, Vijay Barse's life changed when one rainy day he came across slum children playing football with a broken bucket in Nagpur. What started with a few football classes in Nagpur's biggest slum in his spare time snowballed into Jhopadpatti or slum soccer. Vijay Barse coaches and organizes matches between various slum teams. Thanks to his efforts, these children are leading a life away from drugs and alcohol and towards a bigger goal.
वो जो बच्चे हैं, क्या आप उनको एक दिन सचिन तेंदुलकर बनाना चाहते हैं या फुटबॉल में एक तरह से चैंपियन बनाना चाहते हैं? किस मकसद से आप उन बच्चों के साथ काम करते हैं?
फुटबॉल के बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर बनाना ये मेरा मकसद नहीं है, लेकिन फुटबॉल के थ्रू जो स्लम में बच्चे रहते हैं उनके जीवन को बदलना यही हमारा मकसद है। और ये जो तोहफा आपने दिया है और इस पैकेट में जो आपने दिया है, ये इस वर्ष इंडिया के झोपड़पट्टी की टीम जो मेक्सिको जाएगी, ये उसके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। वहाँ 75 देशों के लोगों के खिलाड़ियों के साथ में वो अपने आप को महसूस करे कि वो भी कुछ है, और वो जब लौटते हैं यहाँ पर तो उनमें बहुत बड़ा चेंज रहता है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया विजय बरसे। Ladies and gentlemen, our second real hero, Irfan Ahmed, can we have you on stage, please?
Irfan Ahmed. A sports teacher in a government school, Irfan Ahmed is creating Dausa's very own Chak De moment. For 20 continuous years, students from the Kalavas Government School have been participating in state, district and national games. Irfan not only hones the sporting skills of his students, he also helps them land government jobs. He's also breaking barriers, pushing families of girls in this conservative town to send them to school.
आप इन बच्चों को दूसरे खेल खिला रहे हैं। आप ये नहीं चाहते कि वो सचिन तेंदुलकर बने, आप चाहते कुछ अलग स्पोर्ट्स खेलें?
देखो, मैं छोटा था जब 3 खेलों की किस्से सुना करता था, फुटबॉल बाय पावर, हॉकी बाय ट्रिक एंड क्रिकेट बाय चांस।
अच्छा।
तो और खेलों का जैसा मुझको तजुर्बा है, मेरे जो यहाँ खेल चलते हैं वो दौसा जहाँ मेरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, और जो मेरे खेल चलते हैं उसके अंदर मैं किसी को चैलेंज कर सकता हूँ कि मेरे बच्चों से कोई खेल के जीत जाए। बाकी आप तो महान है, फिर भी मेरे जाता ख्याल है वहां तक।
आप सचिन को चैलेंज दे रहे हैं कि दौसा आ जाइए, हमारे खिलाड़ी आपको डिफीट करेंगे।
चैलेंज नहीं दे रहा हूँ। क्रिकेट के जैसा भी मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था कि क्रिकेट के खिलाड़ी क्रीज पे जाने से पहले ना तो बैट्समैन ये कह सकता है कि मैं आज इतना रन बनाऊंगा, ना बॉलर ये कह सकता है कि मैं आज इतना विकेट लूंगा। और खेलों के अंदर यदि मान लो इंडिविजुअल खेल है और आपका खेल इतना बढ़िया है तो चैलेंज करके भी सामने वाले से जीत सकते हैं।
Don't ever tell a soldier that it cannot be done, and especially a soldier from Haryana. ऐसे रुखसत हुए हमारे जनाजे से वो कि फिर मुड़ के नहीं देखा, फिर याद नहीं करते। नवीन, ये इल्म नहीं उनको, हम जैसे आशिक मौत से मरा नहीं करते।